Spring is right around the corner, and it's the perfect time to refresh your home. In this video, discover the best cleaning gadgets that will help you welcome spring early with ease. From powerful vacuums to smart scrubbing tools, these products will make your cleaning routine faster and more efficient. Say goodbye to messy floors with this microfiber spin mop and bucket system. Its hands-free wringer and splash guard keep your cleaning effortless and splash-free, while the deep cleaning microfiber removes over 99% of bacteria using just water, no harsh chemicals needed. Plus, with a triangle mop head and 60-degree rotation, it reaches into tight corners, under furniture, and along baseboards for a spotless home. Make scrubbing effortless with the Cordless Power Shower Scrubber. This battery-operated, rechargeable spin scrubber delivers powerful, rotating brushes that cut through dirt and grime on tiles, bathtubs, sinks, and more, without the strain of manual scrubbing. With an ergonomic, lightweight design and cordless convenience, you can clean hard-to-reach areas with ease, making it the perfect tool for deep cleaning every corner of your home. Sleep cleaner and healthier with this bed vacuum cleaner. Its powerful 500-watt motor and 13 kilopascals suction effortlessly remove dust and pet hair, while smart dust sensor technology shows real-time cleaning progress, turning green when your bed is truly clean. With UV light, ultrasonic waves, and 130 degrees Fahrenheit high-temperature heating, this vacuum eliminates hidden threats, making it a must-have for homes with pets, babies, and allergy sufferers. Keep your home spotless with this broom and dustpan set with a windproof cover. The 54-inch long broomstick lets you reach every corner without bending, while the 3-layer stiff bristles easily sweep up dirt, dust, and outdoor debris. Plus, the 42-inch tall dustpan holds more with every sweep, and its windproof design ensures nothing blows away. Perfect for indoor and outdoor cleaning. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with this handheld pressurized steam cleaner. With 50 watts of power and 239 degrees Fahrenheit high-pressure steam, it easily cuts through grease, grime, and dirt. No harsh chemicals needed. Plus, with 12 versatile accessories and a lightweight portable design, you can clean everything from floors and upholstery to windows, tiles, and even car interiors with ease. Keep your toilet fresh and spotless with these automatic long-lasting toilet bowl cleaner tablets. Each bottle cleans the entire toilet system, preventing stains, limescale, and odors with every flush, lasting up to 90 days for effortless maintenance. Plus, with septic-safe ingredients and a recyclable glass bottle, it's an eco-friendly way to keep your bathroom clean without the hassle. Tired of messy cables? These reusable silicone magnetic cable ties keep your cords neatly organized with their flexible, durable design and built-in magnets for easy bundling. Plus, they're multifunctional. Use them as cord organizers, fridge magnets, bag ties, or even bookmarks. A simple yet brilliant way to stay clutter-free. Make dusting effortless with this blind duster with 3 arms. Designed for quick and efficient cleaning, it grabs dust from blinds, air vents, ceiling fans, and more in just one swipe. Plus, with 5 reusable microfiber sleeves, you can clean and reuse them over and over, keeping your home spotless with ease. Say goodbye to dusty ceiling fans. Its 4-sided cleaning sleeve effortlessly traps dust and grime on all sides of the blade in one swipe, keeping your space cleaner with less effort. With a telescoping easy grip handle that extends up to 3 feet, and washable microfiber pads, you can tackle high ceilings, moldings, and even blinds, all without climbing a ladder. Tackle pet hair and messes with ease using the Bissell cordless hand vacuum. Powered by a 14-volt lithium-ion battery, this lightweight vacuum features a motorized brush tool and triple-level filtration to remove embedded dirt and pet hair from upholstery and tight spaces. Reach every dusty spot with ease using the microfiber feather duster with a 100-inch extendable pole. Its lightweight, bendable head and soft silicone tip protect surfaces while effortlessly dusting ceilings, fans, blinds, and furniture. With washable split-fiber microfiber that attracts dust like a magnet, this duster makes cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. No more climbing on chairs to reach high places.